So in the last class, we were at question number 13. Okay. Question number 13 of exercise 10A. So here is the question, the sixth part. The sixth part. And here you have to find out the value of, x. This is your x. You have to find out the value of x. And according to the figure, what is given? These two lines are equal. These two lines are equal. So how we will find out the value of x? How we will find out the value of x? Any idea? Okay. No idea. So if you remember one thing, the angle opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are equal. याद है आप लोगों को? Angle opposite to the equal side of a triangle are equal. हमने पढ़ा है? Let me revise the same thing once more for you. Angle opposite to the equal side of a triangle are equal. ठीक है? So if you remember this, हमने ऐसे questions किए हैं. These two angles are these two sides are equal. ठीक है? These two sides are equal. So their opposite angle, this one and this one, will be equal. ठीक है? Angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are always equal. So on the basis of this, find the solution of this problem. Okay? Try this one and send to me. So in order to solve this question, first thing is, let's name this triangle like A, B, C. Okay. Angle BAC is equals to angle BCA. Why? And these both angle are equals to x, which is given. Okay. So the reason behind it is angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are always equal. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now these two angles are x. These two angles are x, and this angle is given, which is 90 degrees. Okay, so I will write angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. Bracket में क्या लिखेंगे? Which is already given. Okay, it is given in the question. Now in triangle ABC, sum of all the angles means angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle BCA is equals to 180. That we all know. Now put the values. ABC is your 90 degree. this is your x and this is your x is equals to 180. 90 plus 2x. 90 plus 2x is equals to 180 and 2x is equals to 180 minus 90. ठीक है 280 minus 90. Now x is equals to again 2x is equals to 90 degree. If 2x is equals to 90 degree, then x is equals to 90 upon 2, which is equals to how much? Which is equals to 45 degree. So the value of x is 45. I hope it is clear to all of you. Is it clear? Ayush? Anshul, Shivansh? Good. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Now here is the question. And you have to find out the value of x. Here you have to find out the value of x. Here is x. Okay. Try it. I'm waiting for your solutions. So let's label this figure first. A, B, C and D. And this point of intersection is, let's say, O. Now, in triangle AOB, we know two angles. We know two angles, 75 and 65. Let this angle be Y. Let this angle be Y. Okay. So, in triangle AOB, angle 75 in triangle AOB, 75 plus 65 plus y is equals to 180. ठीक है? Now 75 and 65 is how much? 140. 140 plus y is equals to 180. And 140, now y is equals to how much? Y is equals to 180 minus 140, which is equals to 40 degree. So here is y. अब आपके पास वैल्यू किसकी आ गई? y की. Is this clear? यहां तक क्लियर है आप लोगों को? Good. Now consider the next triangle. ठीक है? Consider another triangle. There are two triangles in this figure. So in triangle COD, ठीक है? Let's take this angle DOC is equals to 40 degree. ये angle 40 degree होगा. Why this is 40 degree? This angle should be 40 degree. Why? Very nice. This is a vertically opposite angle. So this angle is 40 degree. Let's mention the reason. And the reason is it is vertically opposite angle to angle Y. ठीक है? To angle Y, which we have taken earlier in the previous triangle. ठीक है? ये बात क्लियर हो गई? नाउ it becomes simple that x plus 110 plus y means 40 degree is equals to 180. Now you can calculate the value of x. X plus these two will become 150. 150 is equals to 180, and finally the value of x is 180 minus 150, which is equals to how much? 30. So here is your solution. I hope it is clear to all of you. Pragya? Anshul? Okay. If it is clear, good. If it is clear, okay. If it is clear, then solve this. Solve this. Okay. The figure is in front of you, and you have to find out the value of x and y both. X and y both. Okay. So now, okay, should I wait? Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes. I received the solutions from Pragya and Shivansh, and they both have done it correct. So let me have the solution for rest of you. So there are two triangles. Name them. Let's name them A, B, C, D, and O. Okay. We know this is a sign of, this is a sign of, this sign represent what? This angle is your 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, what should be this angle? AOB. AOB. Ayush, what should be AOB and why? Reply me fast. Angle COD is equals to 90 degree, which is given. Good. I am asking to Ayush. Why you are not responding, Ayush? COD and COD, angle AOB is equals to angle COD, which is equals to 90 degree. And the reason behind is, अब इतनी देर में आंसर दे रहे हो, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. ठीक है? Now I got both angles as 90 degree. Now consider one triangle first, taking AOB first. ठीक है? In triangle AOB. So my angles are 3y plus 4y minus 1, 4y minus 1 plus 90 is equals to 180. Okay? The sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180. Now, rest is your solve for y. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? 3y plus 4y is 7y minus 1 plus 90. Minus 1 plus 90 is your 89. So plus 89 is equals to 180. Now 7y is equals to 180 minus 89, which is equals to how much? So 7y is equals to 91 and y is equals to 91 upon 7. Now 7 13 ja or 13 7 ja 91. So finally you got the value of y. Y is equals to 30. एक वैल्यू आ गई आपकी. Y is equals to 30. Now let's solve for x. Now Ayush, can you solve for x? And Anshul, I have not received a single solution from you both. Okay, solve for x in a similar manner and send me the solution. Okay, I'm moving ahead to the next question. दूसरा क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Ayush, can you do that? कर सकते हो? Can you find out the value of x? Okay, send me. Send me after this class. First try this question. Okay, the question is in front of you. Here you have to find out the value of x, y and z. X, y and z. So the value of x is very simple. Let us name these first: A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, in triangle A, B and C, two angles are given. I have to find out one angle. So easily I can write x plus 75 plus 25 is equals to 180. Okay. Now x plus 75 plus 25 is your 100 is equals to 180. Now the value of x is 180 minus 100. 180 minus 100, which is equals to x is equals to your 80 degree. x आ गया आपके पास. Similarly, if I have to calculate the value of y, देखो these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. So the value of y will be equals to how much? Value of y should be how much? Y कितना होगा? If these two lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel. Okay, these two lines are parallel, and this line is your transversal line. This line is your transversal line. So apply the concept of parallel lines. Very good. Y कितना होगा? Y will equals to 25. Why? Shivansh, why it should be 25? Why y should be 25? ये 25 क्यों होगा? What's the reason? You are correct that y should be 25 degree. Reason क्या है? What is the reason? Because they are parallel lines, it's okay. But what is the relation between these two angles? What is the relation between these two angles? They are pairs of which type of angles? देखो यही चीज आप लोग भूल रहे हो. प्रज्ञा, which pair it is? Not linear pair at all. Linear pair कैसा होता है? Linear pair is like this. ये एंगल और ये एंगल लीनियर पेयर है. जो एंगल एक लाइन के ऊपर बनता है दैट इज लीनियर पेयर. ठीक है, लीनियर पेयर तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. अब बताओ मुझे. हम्म. अंशुल, शिवांश, you are correct that these P and Q are parallel lines. It's a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal line. No, no, देखो ये एंगल तो इंटीरियर है. दिस वन इज योर इंटीरियर, बट दिस इज नॉट इंटीरियर एंगल. दिस इज योर एक्सटीरियर एंगल. दिस इज योर एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ये इंटीरियर एंगल का जो दे आर नॉट इक्वल. What we call them? We call them co-interior angles, pair of interior angles on the same side of these of the transversal line. They are called co-interior angles and they are supplementary in nature. मतलब उन दोनों का sum 180 होता है. But you are saying that y equals to 25. So how this angle would be a co-interior? ठीक है, जल्दी बताओ. खोलो कॉपी, खंगारो अपना दिमाग और निकालो उसका सही आंसर. And I want this answer right now from your side. Y is equals to 25. ठीक है. Why this is? Which type of angles they are? Yes, very good, excellent. Pair of corresponding angle. कैसे है ये? Pair of corresponding angles. I hope Shivans, you have cleared your mind with the concept कि what is the difference between co-interior angles and a corresponding angles. ठीक है, corresponding angle और co-interior angle में समझ में आ गया. Very good. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. Now you got two angles. ठीक है. Now you have to find out Z. You have to find out Z, the value of Z. You have to find out the value of Z. Before that, let me hint you, consider this triangle, the complete triangle, this A, D, and E. Complete triangle, consider this complete triangle. Because you know the value of X, your X is how much? Your X is 80 degree and this Y is your 25. Now you have to find out the value of Z. So before finding the value of Z, you have to find out this angle. And this angle will equals to how much? This angle is equals to how much? Okay, let's take the triangle A, D, E. हम कौन सा ट्राइंगल ले रहे हैं? A, D और E. इसमें दो एंगल्स हमें पता है, लेट दिस एंगल बी डी, इसको मैं एंगल डी बोल रहा हूं। सो एंगल डी प्लस एक्स, एक्स हमारा कितना आया था 80 डिग्री, एंगल एक्स प्लस एंगल वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 180, इज इक्वल्स टू 180। सो एंगल डी मुझे निकालना है, एक्स है मेरा 80 डिग्री एंड वाई इज माई 25 डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू 180। गुड, चलो देखते हैं z की वैल्यू क्या आती है। सो एंगल डी इज ये कितना हो गया मेरा 105, 105 is equals to 180. Now angle D is equals to 180 minus 105, 180 minus 105. So finally angle D is equals to how much? 75. So angle D is 75, Z is not 75. Shivansh, we have to calculate the angle Z. And what is the relation between angle Z and angle D? कोई बता सकता है मुझे व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन एंगल Z एंड एंगल D? इन दोनों एंगल्स के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है? भाई एक्सटेंड दिस लाइन, वेरी नाइस, दे आर लीनियर पेयर। प्रज्ञा, दिस पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स आर इन लीनियर, ठीक है। सो एंगल Z और let it write like this, angle Z plus angle D is equals to 180. Why? Because they are linear pairs, they are linear pair angles. Okay, now we can easily find out the value of Z, which is equals to Z plus D हमारे पास आया था 75, 75 is equals to, and Z is equals to 180 minus 75, 180 minus 75. Finally the value of Z, the value of angle Z is equals to 105, 105. Good. So I hope you understood this. ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया सबको? Good. I know शिवांश को समझ में आ गया. What about Pragya, Anshul, Ayush? Good. Okay. अंशुल को भी आ गया, आयुष को भी आ गया. Very good. Now गुड, ये सॉल्यूशंस आप लोग एक बार और देख लेना, ठीक है, एक बार और समझ लेना इफ यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट, बट बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा है इन विच यू हैव टू अप्लाई all the rules which you have learned from parallel lines to area, parallel lines to the triangle, ट्राइंगल की प्रॉपर्टीज भी लग रही हैं और पैरेलल लाइंस की भी प्रॉपर्टी लग रही है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस क्वेश्चन बिकम इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है। मार्क इट, अंडरस्टैंड इट, इफ यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू अगेन, बट डोंट लीव इट, ठीक है, इसको छोड़ना नहीं है, इसको अच्छे से करना। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अब इस क्वेश्चन में भी आपको ध्यान रखना है कि these two lines are parallel, this is the sign of parallel lines, ठीक है, these two lines are parallel. Okay, quickly find out the solution and send it to me, you have 5 minutes and you have to find out the value of x in this only, ठीक है, x की value find out करनी है, it's very simple, apply your mind and find out the value of x. I hope this time I want the solution from all of you. Okay. Good, Shivansh and Pragya, very nice. You both are correct. Okay, let me solve it once more. So this angle is how much? This angle should be, this angle should be how much? It should be 35. It should be 35 degree. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel, and this is your transversal line. This is your transversal line. And these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Why? If I name this like A, B, C, D, and E. So angle ABC, which is equals to 35, already it is given in your question. An angle CED, angle CED is equals to angle ABC. Why? And the reason should be, Shivans, the reason should be, it's not corresponding. अगर ये angle होता तब ये corresponding होता, but this angle is your alternate interior angles. कैसे angles हैं ये? Alternate interior angles. I hope you are agree with me. ठीक है? कैसे angles हैं ये? These both angles are alternate interior angles. ठीक है? Very good. The rest is correct. Now, if this angle is 35, now it become very simple. In triangle CDE, CDE. अब मेरा क्या हो गया? X plus 53 plus 35 is equals to 180, and X plus this will become 88. 88 is equals to 180, and the value of X is 180 minus 88. Very good. 180 minus 88 is X is equals to 92. Here is your, I hope it is clear to all of you. Pragya, have you got the solution? समझ में आ गया अच्छे से? And Shivansh, Anshul and Ayush, I have not received a single answer from your side. I hope you all are doing with me. ठीक है, जो भी किया है आप लोगों ने, send it to me in the WhatsApp. Okay, मुझे मिला नहीं है अभी तक. Okay, ठीक है. But आप लोग रीजन नहीं लिखते हो, that's not correct. Reason should be mentioned on in your solution. ठीक है. So visit this video once more. एक बार और देखो आप लोग और समझो, because these all questions are very important, contains lot of concept. ठीक है, इनको दोबारा देख लेना, and if you still find any doubt, we will do it again. So thank you for today's class from my side, and okay, कल का homework I will check, send to me. ठीक है, मुझे भेजो, I will check and I will reply for the same. So have a good night and take care.